Hey, say what's happening, man. It's TIP, man. Represent Grand Hustle, Family Hustle, and the Cool Clothing brand, the king of oneself. Let you know you watching Surround Sounds of Fashion with my homeboy Nate Gibbs, all right?
Let's get it to you, man. Cool Clothing, doing that, man. You just doing a lot of stuff, man. What's up with the brand?
I'm trying to stay busy. Cool, man. We working hard on trying to launch this women's line, and you know, just getting these deliveries out. And thank you for all the boutiques and all the stores, the chains who've been carrying us, all the people who've been going in there and requesting us, and everybody who've been wearing it, man. Thank you.
Ready to pop the clipping, ready to get the tripping, ready to show.
The Cool brand is a full clothing brand. We didn't start out doing t-shirts or doing denim or just, you know, any one category. We came right from the beginning with the ruckus, so to speak. We put together a line that is what I like to say a new brand for young gentlemen of distinction and taste. I try to bring a tasteful yet still street edgy flair to the brand. Hip hop is wordplay, so we kind of interwove that in the fabric of a coup, which what we call Akuisms. So quite often on a lot of the garments you'll see Akuisms hidden inside the garments. It may say something like Destiny Without Works is a leisurely plan, or Run Alone, or Vicious Without Mercy. And that part is how I kind of tried to weave, and then T.I. will give us some also, to weave the actual lyrical poetry into our real fashion. Yeah, you know, music and fashion are sisters and brothers. They'll always go with each other. But we tried to more literally weave hip-hop into a coup, but not just by making it look like hip-hop, but actually weave the poetry into the clothing.
The Cool movement is now underway, you know what I'm saying? We have begun our global domination, you know, one pair of pants at a time, you understand that?
Crown down under me, somebody better tell them before I spend 100 rounds of have everybody better. I got some bitches in the beds and my partners in the shit. And now we ride Giovanni's and the sign is on